Welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. In this video, we're going to take a look at GooglerCash. This is an honest review video. You'll be able to find a link to the sales page in the video description down below. If you click on that link, it'll take you to the sales page. If you purchase the product through that link, then I will receive a commission. Unfortunately, I'm going to find myself not giving this product a particularly good review. Again, my goal is to give it an honest review, to tell you my honest opinion of it. Straight up, well, let's take a look at this, and I'll explain why I don't think all that much of this. So, right off the bat, we have a recently detected system that pays us $89 an hour and up to $789 per day for answering simple yes or no questions on Google over and over again. Now, this is a contradiction to the sales video down here in which we're told that you can get paid $89 per video. Now, I'm not convinced you can make $89 per hour on a recurring basis. There's a number of websites. You can Google make money watching videos, and you can find a number of websites that will, a number of services, I should say, that will pay you for watching and or reviewing videos. However, I don't know of anything where you can, I don't know, maybe there's a glitch somewhere. Typically, if you're getting paid to watch the videos, there's a minimum amount, a minimum percentage of the video that you have to watch. You can't just sort of click and then go yes or no, yes or no. This is basically going to be, this isn't going to give you a new system. This is going to give you software that's going to tap into existing systems that's going to allow you to make money. Now, the secret is the big secret. These are probably my least favorite products. I do like this line right here, though: intelligence pays. What the sales page is going to try to do is make you to not think about the product. The goal of a sales page like this is to get you thinking about how wonderful you can do, how much money you can make. Notice up here, we're starting at $89 an hour, $789 a day. Right, and then beta testers made $189,324 in profit. Over how long a period? Right, and we're going down and we're seeing $109,643 USD. And of course, this could come from anywhere. Let's go down. We've got sales copy. Nothing that's actually telling us about it, has how easy it's going to be, how fast it's going to. Yeah, there we go. Answering 10 questions, $890. Okay, so how does it work? Well, it's just giving us a simple step 1, 2, and 3. I hate step 1, 2, and 3 because it's never true. Let's see. Just to have again, look at this and tell me what it's telling you about the product. It's telling you it's wonderful. It's telling you it's going to make you hundreds and then thousands and then hundreds of thousands of dollars without doing anything other than just watching videos, saying, clicking yes or no. At one point in the video, the claim is actually made that this is, and I quote, the most legal way to make money on the internet. That's actually just factually not true. I mean, that implies that there's nothing illegal about, if somebody's paying you to watch videos, and they do, that's perfectly fine. But that's not more legal than, say, selling t-shirts or selling PLR content, or getting paid for advertising revenue from YouTube, or advertising products on Facebook. There are a lot of ways that you can get paid and make money on the internet. You're probably aware of several of them, and that's probably why you're watching videos like this. I don't think that this one is, and I quote, the most legal way. That's just, I mean, it's probably not the least legal way either, but so we aren't told much of this. We're told it's one-of-a-kind technology. Again, I really think that what it's going to do is it's just going to connect you to a number of different websites or apps. We looked at a product, I'm trying to remember what the name of it was. We looked at a similar product not too long ago. No, I don't remember exactly what it was off the top of my head. So many software packages to look at, and but again, this is all hype. At no point are we being told, the service involved. There are, again, as I said, lots of ways. Inbox dollars is a big one. Swag bucks is another. There's lots of ways you can watch videos or complete questionnaires or whatever, and you can make money from doing that. But I don't think there's any that will actually pay you 89. And people, viral videos become viral. Sometimes it's natural traffic, just somebody puts up something that a lot of people like and a lot of people see. A lot of viral stuff happens because somebody pays a substantial amount of money to a company, and what they do is they pay people to watch that video and drive up the amount of views. And a big part of the YouTube algorithm is based on just how many views something gets. There's other factors as well, but that is a big factor. So this is another tip-off when somebody is telling you that they have a software that can make you hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, something that can make you $87 per video or even $89 per hour, and they're giving it away for $19, they're lying to you. There's something that's not quite right. Again, intelligence is valuable. Use your intelligence. If it looks too good to be true, most of the time it's too good to be true. Okay, that's the simple reality of online income. That's the simple reality of affiliate marketing. There's also going to be a number of upsells on this. The first one is an unlimited one. I'm trying to think if I've got this open. I think I do over here. Oh, yes, here we go. I did. So here's our front end over here. GooglerCash. First, done for you. Second one is an autopilot. Oh no, sorry, I didn't go back far enough. There's our front end on our main page. First one-time offer is the unlimited package. Okay, so right away we've got limitations put on this. So your $89 an hour is probably going to look more like $1.50 an hour because you're going to have restraints put on that. Okay, this is going to take off the restraints. This one is a done for you. How? I don't even know how you do this as a done for you. Does that just mean that are they paying somebody else to click on videos for you? I'm tempted to. I kind of wish I'd had the time to ask for a review copy of this. I suspect I wouldn't have gotten one, but autopilot. Again, I mean, I thought we were just sitting there. 1 minute we're literally talking about how quick and easy this is, and the next we're doing a done for you and then an autopilot. Well, again, there's something funny about these one-time offers with regards to the sales video. Then we've got the 1 hour profits, the lazy infinite traffic special, the franchise license special, and the multi-income edition special. So again, I feel there's a lot of, I feel like there's a lot that we aren't told about this system. And unfortunately, that's where a lot of my hesitations come from. If you're walking around at a carnival and there's something that somebody doesn't want you to see, they're obviously hiding something from you. They're probably doing that intentionally. Magicians have certain things in apparatuses or, apparati or trapdoors. You know, the things that they hide are part of the trick. The difference is a magician is selling you entertainment, and in this case, someone's trying to sell you what is ostensibly a profit-making system. So I see a lot of red flags on this. For me, I would say give this one a pass. There's going to be better products coming out today that you can look at. There's better products we've already reviewed in the past. Check out the links in the description. Make up your own mind. Again, if you do choose to purchase this, feel free to do it through my links, and I will receive a commission, but I am not pushing you for this one at all. I would actually try to steer you away from this one. So hope that's been helpful. Like, subscribe, check out the links in the description, particularly check me out over on Substack. I'm going to be trying to get into the habit of releasing some articles on a regular basis to not just steer you away from a particular product, but hopefully trying to give you some up-to-date news. I'm going to see how often we can get that released anyway. So check out the links. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys back here again soon.